Hello children, how are you? Children, today I am going to tell you how we can factorize the algebraic expression by using the algebraic identity. Three main algebraic identities are, the first one is a plus b whole square, and the expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. The second algebraic identity is a minus b whole square. The expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. The third one is a square minus b square, and it can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Okay children? So children, I am going to tell you that how we can use these identities in order to factorize or to find the factors of algebraic expressions. I am taking one example, x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, one by one I am going to tell you that how you can use these identities in order to factorize the algebraic expressions. Okay, so my first example is x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, so it is a trinomial and we are going to see that how we can factorize this algebraic identity. Okay, so you can compare this trinomial x square plus 8x plus 16 with the ever expansion of the identities. So you can see it is x square plus 8x plus 16. So these are having the positive sign. So we can compare this with the first identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so it is x square plus 8x plus 16, that can be written as x square. This middle term 8x can be written as 2 into x into 4 plus, and 16 is the square of 4, so 16 can be written as 4 square. Okay, square of 4. Okay, now you can compare a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can compare this identity with this algebraic expression. Okay, so we can see that here a is your x. Okay, a is your x and your b is your 4. Okay, now b is your 4. Here it is b square and here it is 4 square. It means b is taken as 4. Okay, so we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b is 4 square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion of a plus b whole square. Similarly, x square plus 2x into 4 plus 4 square can be written as, here children, a we have taken as x. So in place of a we will write here x plus, and in place of b we will write 4. That is, okay, so x plus 4 whole square, or x plus 4 whole square means x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. Here we can write x plus 4 whole square as x plus 4 into x plus 4. So this is the factorization of the algebraic expression x square plus 8x plus 16. So children, now coming to the next example. Okay, I have taken here 4y square minus 12y plus 9 as an example. Okay, now we will see that how we can use the second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, in order to factorize this. Okay, so as it is having a negative sign, okay, with the term 12y, so we can use the second algebraic identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So children, let's compare a square minus 2ab plus b square with this 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Okay. Student, 4y square can be written as 2y ka whole square, isn't it? 4y square is the can be written as 2y whole square minus 12y can be written as 2 into 2y into 3y. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and this y 12y plus, and 9 is the square of 3. So 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay. Now 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 3 plus 3 square. Okay, 3 square. Now it can be compared with a square minus 2ab plus b the whole square. Okay. Now children, we can compare this identity with the expansion of this algebraic expression. Okay. So we can take a equals to 2y. We can take a as 2y. Okay. A can be taken as 2y and b can be taken as here b square. It means here 3 square. So it means b's are 3. Okay. So we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is the expansion of a minus b whole square. Similarly, we can write this algebraic expression 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 3 plus 3's whole square is equal to a. A is your 2y and minus b is your 3. So 2y minus 3's whole square, or 2y minus 3 multiplied by 2y minus 3. So this is the required factorization of the algebraic expression 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, coming to the third example, we have 49p square minus 36. Okay. So which algebraic expression do you think we can apply here? We can apply a square minus b square. Why? Because 49p whole square minus 36 can be written as 7p whole square. Isn't it? 7 7s are 49 and p square is p square minus 36 is the square of 6. So it can be written as 6 to the power 2. Okay. So let a square minus b square. Okay, we can compare this 7p whole square minus 6 square to the power 2 can be compared with a square minus b square. Okay, 7p to the power 2 minus 6 to the power 2. So you can see children, a square, here it is 7p whole square. So it means a is your 7p and b square, it means here b square means b can be taken as 6. Okay. And a square minus b square is your a plus b, a minus b. Likewise, 7p whole square minus 6 whole square is equal to 7p plus 6 multiplied by 7p minus 6. Okay children? Children, hope you understood the concept that how we can use the algebraic identities in order to find the factors of the given algebraic expression, or how we can factorize the given algebraic expression using the algebraic identities. Okay, if you are following my explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.